Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 11th, 2021. Yes, Memorable Day 9/11. Yes. One puzzle left, and it's a tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? Well, I do not know. We will see. But this will be a number 3381. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. We will see. And for 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. So let's get started. I hope it's 4 stars. Well, the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? No dual boxes. Triple boxes. I see here triple box. Only the 3 is filled in. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box next the middle box, yeah, here or there, cannot be a 1, 2, or 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 or a 5. Okay. Then quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. Well, it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. I only know we have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes can be a 4. The 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. Quadra box. Here another quadra box. The 4 is filled in, but I do not know in which the other 3 numbers are. Then more quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy. Here another quadra box. Can't do anything. Need to wait. All right. So the next stage, the next strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, this shape, the L shape. We have here the L shape. All right. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. And we have more L shapes here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More L shapes? No. Here, another one. Here, this box has the same number as that box. Then this shape. Yeah, the shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. 3 of this kind of shapes. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same lemma as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Another shape here, the T shape, rotated. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 5. All right. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more shapes. We have here 4, but in this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. If I place the 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. But we have a 4 here, so it cannot be a 4. This is not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 should be here. Alright, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 4. Well, I cannot place a 4 here. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3. Oh, now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 2 and a 3. So it cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this cross area for the number 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, this box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, we see a 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this T connection or T figure, T shape, yeah. For the numbers 1 and 2, let me mark those. 1 and 2. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2. Can it be 3 or 5? Can it be a 4? So 1 digit left should be a 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. No. Yeah. I think this box. Wait. The one here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then yeah. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 1. Then 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be a 5. This box should be a 4. I've marked this 4 or a 5. So this should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 5. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5. We see a 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Yes. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 2 numbers can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 1. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 number left in this quarter box for the number 2. Finish in 14 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes and I'm very pleased with the time and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Sunday we have no newspaper, so I will continue with this additional. See you then. Bye bye for now.